Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. I am Tsholo Phoka for those that are new to this channel, and for those that are not, welcome back to yet another video. We have reached 1,001k and I'm so excited. If you haven't watched all my videos, do catch up on a lot of videos that I have on my channel that you can check out and that can help you with your hair growth or even just to entertain you with style, fashion and also beauty. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing a cheap curling cream with an expensive curling cream. I went out and I looked around. I looked around for styling products that can be comparable, and I found that these two curling creams are very comparable because most of the ingredients are similar in each of these products. So the cheapest curling cream that I could find was Vatika, and I actually got it for 65 rand or so at Clicks, but you can get it for less in other shops. And also the most expensive curling cream that I could find was the I Am Curling Creme, which I don't know if maybe it's more expensive or least expensive in other shops. I didn't see it in other shops besides Clicks. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. And without talking too much, let's get straight into this video. So I have sectioned my hair into two sections, and I'm going to use this primrose set to do the curls that we want. I'm also going to just use the spray bottle to dampen my hair if it does get dry, because my hair is wet now and I'm doing this hairstyle on wet hair. I am going to start on your left using the I Am Restore and Repair Black Jamaican Castor Oil Curling Cream. This curling cream has a thick consistency and is rich. I'm first going to apply it onto my hair, and it glides onto the hair very well. It easily absorbs into the hair. You can see that the hair is not too white, and any white that is on the hair is just going to melt into the hair. I'm then going to do the primrose set. I have a video on how to do a primrose set that I'm going to link above if you're interested to watch on a detailed video on how to do this primrose set. This I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Curling Cream has Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It has vitamin C, vitamin E and ceramides, and it is a very thick cream that you actually can use as a butter also. It is meant to boost your curl health, locking in precious moisture, and also it's supposed to provide frizz control and curl definition. So we'll see in the results if it does provide everything it says it does provide. But it is a very, very good moisturizer because it just glides onto the hair and sinks into the hair from what I've seen so far. And then on your right, I'm going to be using the Vatika Afro Naturals Curl Defining Cream. Vatika has a watery consistency, and when I put it onto my hair, it made my hair more wet because it's very watery, and it took time for it to absorb onto my hair. As you can see that my hair is white right now, but as it dries it will go away, the whiteness will go away and it will be just your natural hair color. It just needs to absorb into your hair. The cream doesn't glide onto your hair, but it's enough just to moisturize the hair as you put on those perm rods and curl the hair. This Vatika Afro Naturals Curl Defining Cream has shea butter and coconut oil and is supposed to define and elongate curls. It also hydrates and locks in moisture in the hair and has a very watery consistency. What I also noticed, you have to use more product while using this cream as compared to the I Am cream to make sure that my curls are covered as I put on the primrose set. We still have those separate sides. As you see, I'm just going to start with the As I Am side as we did before. I'm taking off that Primrock set carefully, and as you can see that the As I Am part is so bouncy, and also I love that it is defined. It feels very soft. My hair feels soft, and also I also love the shine of the curls. Now I'm just going to separate the hair more so that we have that volume and you guys can see the full definition of these curls. When I separate the hair, I separate it where it wants to separate so that the curls remain defined. And as you can see, the hair is very bouncy, and also I love that it's fluffy and also soft. The way my hair was so soft, I couldn't keep my hair out of my hands, but now I am actually ruining the curls. So let me just show you the results of the side. It is soft, it is shiny, and also it has volume. Moving along to the side where we have our Vatika Afro Naturals Curl Defining Cream, I'm just going to take off that Primrock set. You can see that this side is completely defined. The definition, in my belief, is more than the other side that we had on the As I Am side. It is completely defined, and I think this is because the product is very watery, so the water actually changed the shape of my hair to make it more defined and stick onto those Primrock sets. You can see that they also have that bounce back, but they're more elongated because they are very stiff. The hair didn't feel that moisturized. It felt a bit dry, but I think this is what makes the curls very defined because the moisture absorbed into the hair. This Vatika cream smells good, and I love that as I was separating the hair remained so defined. So this will be very good for someone who wants to deal with frizz and doesn't want a lot of frizz on their hair. So I didn't see a lot of frizz while I was separating this Vatika side. Something that I didn't like a lot was that I didn't have a lot of volume on the Vatika side. I think that's because the curls are very defined, so you won't have that volume and a bit of frizz to create that big afro look that you would want if you want to rock these curls as a more natural style. So what do you guys think? Are you going for the As I Am side or the Vatika side? Leave your comments on the comment section below and let me know if you guys would like me to test other products. I actually love both sides. They both gave me a different style but very similar, but the difference in hair texture, that means a lot, and I'll be using these products for maybe different hairstyles that I do in the future. So guys, what did you think about this comparison? Leave your opinion or your comment below in the comment section. I love to read your comments and I will reply to all your comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.